Okay, good morning everyone. Nag-unbox po tayo ng ating order from Lazada, which is the handheld video stabilizer for action cam Dslr cell phones. And po, actually hindi po ito yung exact address ko, kaya pinapakita ko sa inyo, pero it's okay. Ayan, medyo okay naman po yung pagka-pack. Naka-bubble wrap din naman siya. Taran! Tagal mo focus. Ayan. So, medyo may kabigatan din po siya. Weight niya is 1.83 pounds. 830 grams. Feature supports digital cameras and camcorders up to 2.1 pounds. DSLRs can be used on the SteadyVid EX with light lenses. Comfort grip handle. Super gimbal for smooth accurate motion. Polished chrome counterweight. Spirit level and thumb stabilizer. With specifications: load capacity 2.5 pounds or 0.95 kilograms. Construction is aluminum body, rubber budded handle, polished chrome counterweight. Dimension is 34 times 20.5 by 5.7 cm, which is 1.83 pounds or converted to grams by 830. So, nakalagay din po yung instruction, which is, ayan, hindi siya pong mabasa. So, let's find out anong laman sa loob. Ayan, tcharan! Wala na pong laman yung box. Yan lang po. Ito yung handle grip niya. Ayan. Grip. Novel. Ayan na. So, ayan lang po yung laman ng ating order from Lazada. Ito yung pampabigat, which is para ma-stabilize yung ating camera. Magbibigay ng balance. Ito yung hawakan. Then, takes time lang po para ma-balance natin yung ayan. So, kailangan mo ng mount ng camera. Ito dito i-mount yung camera. I-attach na po natin yung clip. Ayan. Then, yung ating camera. So, since hindi pa siya balance, hanapin mo yung center of gravity para maging balance po yung ating camera. It takes time din po sa paghanap ng pero yan. Then, here we go. Tsaka ilalak natin. Ayan. Ito po yung indicator which is mag-i-indicate if balance na ba yung ating stabilizer. Yan. Dito po. Makikita. So, yan lang po sa ngayon. Maraming salamat sa panonood.